Hi, I'm Brad from my team at Advantage Air. We've just arrived at a customer's house. He's decided to put MyPlace system in to his existing MyAir 5 system. So what I'm doing is meeting the electrician on site to make sure everything goes smooth and it all works well. So what we need from the end user is to know exactly what they're planning on getting out of the system so that we know what lights we want to be hooking into when we're doing all of our work in the roof space. What we're doing now is just before we jump in the roof, we're going to isolate the power. We've got to make sure we're doing everything safely. We're going through and finding the location of the lights from within the roof so we can pick a centralised location for the relay module to go. We've gone through now and identified all of the lighting circuits. We've decided that the best location for the relay module is probably going to be up that side of the house, which is where the majority of the lights are going to be. Now it's time to bring up all the gear and get some cables run. While the electrician is running all the 240 volt cabling stuff, I'm going to give him a hand by mounting the relay module, which is this box right here. So I'm going to pop that on this timber here, and then I'm going to help out as well by running the integration cable between the relay module and the existing air conditioner. Alrighty, so I've run the cable, and now all that's left to do is plug it into the existing aircon control box. Just here. And there we go, it's as good as integrated. For a while now I've been training to crawl around roof spaces like a monkey, so that's why we need trained professionals to be doing this. Because we've designed this product with the end user in mind, we've made it quite simple to put in a new building, but we've also made it really easy to put in after the fact if you've already moved in. We've developed this little adapter here, which will just let us seamlessly take control of your circuits. So now that we're all finished up in the roof with the lights, the last thing left to do is hook the garage door motor up. So I'm going to jump up, take the cover off and help get that cable in. Easy as that. Alright, so we're all finished. The electrician's finished fitting off the relay module, which is just here, and that's all there is to it. So we've now got control with the MyPlace system of 5 lights and the 1 garage door. So let's go downstairs and test. I've gone through and confirmed that everything's working on the switches. The last thing to do is make sure that it works on the screen, so let's give it a shot. And there we go, we've now got control of lights through MyPlace.